Well, how's it going? This is Hans the Ramen Raider coming at you with another episode of Instant Noodle Recipe Time, the show where I show you what to do with your instant noodles. And today I've got one that came from a Zenpop box. Go to zenpop.jp and use the coupon code the Ramen Raider for a discount. Now, we've got this. This is Sapporo Ichiban Kagoshima pork Shabu Shabu shoyu ramen. And I'll show you something weird about it, but first let's get her going. Yes, I did skin it. And that goes for 3 minutes. You sit over. Man, I don't know what it is. Do I just need a lesson in how to pour water? I always get water all over the stove. I don't know why. I'm just not good at boiling eggs or pouring things. I'm not good with the scissors either. I can't cut wrapping paper for nothing. But people seem to like what I do with noodles, so I'll take that. I'll take that as a win. That's enough. So, quickly, our little quote of the day from Momofuku Ando Speaks, the guy who invented the instant noodles. Number 14. Even a magnificent 2,000-year-old beech tree grew out of bird droppings. Interesting. So what's the weird thing about this cup? God, I sound like Peter Brady. What the hell? Check this out. It's Tom and Jerry. Wow. Hey. Like, I didn't know they would even know who Tom and Jerry was in Japan. They don't seem like really like characters that would be known in Japan. But apparently they are. And then there's a little thing on the other side where he gets the umbrella stuck in his throat. You know what I'm talking. If you're old like me. But yeah, so I think you will. On, what's that channel? MeTV. They have a morning show called like Tune In With Me, and it's all cartoons, and they've got like this guy who curates it and does like themes. So they'll have like Bugs Bunny as the maestro, like the orchestra conductor, and they'll have like a bunch of different episodes that have like an orchestra conductor involved in them. It's really actually really neat stuff. That what I want to see is, I bet you he'll do it too if he hasn't already. You remember those episodes where they had the mouse that was like wandering around bookshelves and like pantries, and there'd be like, oh, they would have like Betty Crocker or something, and then they would have like Betty Crocker on the box talking, stuff like that. There was also one with Porky Pig who got caught for smoking or something, and then they put him in a factory where like there's all these machines, and they make him smoke cigarettes and drink and chew tobacco and do snuff. I mean, it's just like, wow. And the whole idea is like, oh yeah, you like this? You like it? Well, here you go. You can have more than you're gonna like. What a weird thing. But the whole idea was like to get Porky Pig not to do that stuff. Like, alright. Stir the noodle. Kind of surprised. These raw ones, it seems like, often have a extra sachet, and this one didn't. Oh my God, my daughter is just She is full tilt on making noise, ladies and gentlemen. If you have a daughter or had children that were of the daughter type, did they make noise all the time? And did it get worse? My wife says it's just going to get worse. I mean, she won't shut up for nothing. Oh my God. Noodle's pretty good. Broth looks very enticing. Lots of bits going on. Well, I don't know about that one. I'm not ultra sold on that one, to be honest. What happened? Where's our tunes? Oh, did it play the last one? Weird. I put it on shuffle. I don't know. I still gotta get the old music, or like the new. This is like really an old selection of music. This set of tunes is from when I stopped doing this show in this format because the kids wouldn't be quiet, and I decided to start doing a show and calling it Walking and Talking with the Ramen Raider. That just was a neat idea, but nah. Get the Rotato back over here. Now, I don't have any stuffings. I don't have the stuffings, ladies and gentlemen. I really hoped I had some of the stuffings to go along with this, but I don't. So I'll have to go with the stuffings being the, you know, the gooey egg. I can't make those very well at all. My wife is the one who makes those, and she was too busy yesterday, so. They will return soon. Come on, guys. Come on, man. And I want to say this is getting close to my last slice of chashu, which really kills me. A place where I get my chashu. I know, I should be making it myself. I know, but I haven't gotten there yet. That's another thing that I'm sure I wouldn't do a very good job at, so I'd have to beg my wife to do it. And you know, she's got a lot on her plate, so don't get all snippy with me about it. I hear you out there getting snippy. Actually, you're kind, wonderful, beautiful people. Thank you. Thank you. Let's have some sesame seed. Yeah, this bowl is really irritating me already. It doesn't look all that serviceable. It is what it is. I'm sure the thumbnail will look nice and the money shot, but whoa, I don't know what just happened. Well, let's Rotato.
got one more that I'm gonna do today. I'm doing 3. I'm gonna try to do 3 reviews every day all week. This is gonna be like number 3,952? 3,953. 3,954 will be this. Ghost pepper cheese, ladies and gentlemen. And I know you guys are really looking forward to this. This one will be, I'll do a bump of it on the old ramen junkies. So they'll get to see it early. So you should join. Yeah. Alright, it's been Oz the Ramen Raider wishing you enjoyment of your noodles each and every day. Have a good one. Bye.